નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. ધોરણ 6 દ્વિતીય સત્ર સ્વાધ્યાય પોથી ઇંગ્લિશ. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 3. રીડ ધ ફોલોઈંગ પેરેગ્રાફ્સ ફ્રોમ ધ લેસન. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1. હુ ઓર્ડર્ડ અ હગ ડિનર? આન્સર: ધ મહારાજા ઓફ ત્રાવણકોર ordered a hug dinner. Number 2. Why did the Maharaja go to the kitchen? Answer: the Maharaja went to the kitchen because he wanted the best dishes for the guest. Answer the questions selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in basket. Number 1. The Maharaja of ખાલી જગ્યા ordered a hug dinner. Answer number C. Travancore. Number 2. There were many ખાલી જગ્યા guests for the dinner. Answer number B. Important. Number 3. The Maharaja wanted the ખાલી જગ્યા for guests. Answer number D. Best dishes. Number 4. When the Maharaja came, the cook was ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number D. Answer number A. Busy with his work. Paragraph number 2. Question number 1. What was there in the basket? Answer: there was vegetable waste in the basket. Number 2. Who was happy to see the king in the kitchen? Answer: the cook was happy to see in the basket. Number 3. What will the cook do with the vegetable waste? Answer: the cook will throw the vegetable waste. Number 4. What did the king ask to cook to do? Answer: the king asked the cook to use all the vegetables. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in basket. Question: there were ખાલી જગ્યા in the basket. Answer number B. Vegetable scraps. Paragraph number 3. Answer the following question. What did the cook first do with the vegetable scraps? Answer: the cook first washed the vegetable scraps. Question number 2. What did he grind together? Answer: he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic. Question number 3. What did he pour in the mixture? Answer: he poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil. Number 4. What did he use to decorate the dish? Answer: he used curry leaves to decorate the dish. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in basket. Number 1. The cook cut the vegetable into ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number B. Long strips. Number 2. Which word in the passage means looked at? Answer number D. Started at. Number 3. The cook added ખાલી જગ્યા curd to the curry. Answer number A. Whip. Number 4. The cook poured a few spoonfuls of ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number B. Coconut oil. Number 5. He decorated the dish with ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number C. Curry leaves. Number 6. The cook made a paste of ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number D. Coconut, green chilies and garlic. Paragraph number 4. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Who was confused? Why? Answer: the cook was confused because he didn't know the name of the dish. Question number 2. What was the name of the dish? Answer: the name of the dish was Avil. Answer the question selecting the correct options and write A, B, C or D in basket. The cook was ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer A. Confused. Number 2. The name of the dish was ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer D. Avil. Paragraph number 5. Questions. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who was the cook? Answer. Bhim was the cook. Number 2. Who was the king? Answer. Virat was the king. Number 3. Where is Avil also popular? Answer. Avil is popular in Tamil Nadu. Number 4. Where were the Pandavas hiding? Answer. The Pandavas were hiding in his kingdom. Answer the questions selecting the correct options and write A, B, C or D in basket. Number 1. Avil become famous in ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer A. Kerala. Number 2. The name of the king was ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer C. Virat. Number 3. The cook was ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer B. Bhim. Number 4. The ખાલી જગ્યા were hiding in King Virat's kingdom. Answer D. Pandavas. Number 5. Avil is popular in ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer C. Tamil Nadu. Question number 4. Write true or false. Number 1. The king ordered a dinner in the palace. Answer true. Number 2. The cook knew about Avil before. Answer false. Number 3. The cook named a new dish using the vegetable scraps. Answer true. Number 4. Nobody likes the new dish Avil. Answer false. Number 5. The king was happy to see the waste in the basket. Answer false. So guys, please our channel subscribe and share. Thank you.